Hi, I'm Nora Truscello with intuition.com. Come visit me over there. Schedule yourself a reading. I'm going to do a meditation today on vulnerability. We're going to release what makes us vulnerable and embrace what gives us strength. That's simple. Releasing vulnerability, gathering strength. Let's do this. As always, we start with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. We will go into a guided meditation, a very simple one, where we will sit in silence, release that vulnerability, embrace our strength in silence. When the silent period is over, you'll hear the chimes. At that point, you know I'm going to begin speaking, and we're going to pull ourselves back in, give a moment of thanks, and close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. Take a deep breath, relax, close your eyes, and invite yourself to let go. Scan your body and notice, is there any place where you feel tension, dis-ease? And if there is, bring your attention to that spot and invite it to let go and release. From this very comfortable place of relaxation, let us begin. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. In this safe, relaxed place, let us go inward. Bring our attention into the center of our heart and around our heart, all in our chest. Just embrace that area with your consciousness and feel it. Where do you feel some heaviness? Where do you feel some frightened energy, some energy that just doesn't quite know what to do, is jumpy? Embrace that energy, embrace that jumpiness, that nervousness, that need to run. Embrace it and hold it and send it love. Take a moment and keep feeling around your chest for any emotions that make you feel vulnerable. If a memory pops into your head, feel the emotion and embrace it and hold it with love, allowing the divine love that's flowing through you to transmute that vulnerability and neutralize it. And each time you neutralize a place, imagine Saint Michael or another mighty angel there, infusing the empty space that is left from the vulnerability being transmuted, filling that empty space with strength, power, confidence, energy, the divine spirit moving you forward. So over the next few minutes, embrace that vulnerability and fill it in with strength. Finishing up, infusing yourself from the divine with the strength to move forward in all situations, knowing you are protected and embraced by His mighty angels. We say thank you, and we begin to close as we bring our energy fully into our bodies with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. Again, visit me at intointuition.com, and I'll see you there. Bye now.